In a forgotten corner of time, a silver Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing 1955 rests in silence. Dust, rust, and years of neglect hide one of the greatest engineering achievements ever created. Every scar on the body tells a story. Every crack in the leather whispers of journeys long past. The gullwing door opens slowly, resisting, then surrendering. Inside, the cabin sleeps beneath layers of dust and memory. The hood rises, revealing a tired inline-six engine, once revolutionary, now waiting for renewal. Water drips softly, washing away decades of abandonment. As the emblem is cleaned, the car begins to breathe again. Foam and water glide across silver panels, uncovering faded brilliance. Chrome reappears, glass clears, the shape returns. Wheels come off, one bolt at a time. Inside, dust is lifted, seats are freed, and history is gently removed piece by piece. Panels release their grip. Knobs, gauges, and wiring are untangled with care. The floor reveals rust, honest, raw, and ready to be healed. Metal is brushed, sanded, and prepared for rebirth. Beneath the car, bolts loosen slowly. Brake lines, suspension, and control arms are released from decades of tension. Fluids drain in quiet streams. The transmission lowers, steady and controlled. The exhaust lets go. Engine mounts relax. Finally, the heart of the silver Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing 1955 rises into the air. The engine bay is empty now, clean, exposed, full of possibility.
It's a ref to the checker.
This is not destruction. This is respect. The first chapter ends here. What follows is precision, patience, and perfection.